When it comes to sending money internationally, Ria Money Transfer service stands out because of its wide network and straightforward process. Whether you are supporting family, paying for services, or transferring funds for business, following a structured step-by-step guide ensures a smooth experience. Start by visiting www.riamoneytransfer.com or downloading the Ria mobile app. Create a free account using your email and mobile number. Identity verification is essential, so keep a valid government ID ready. Enter the country where you are sending money and the amount. The platform instantly shows you the exchange rate and total fees. This transparency helps you compare with other services like Wise, Western Union, or Remitly before confirming. Ria allows payment through debit card, credit card, or bank account transfer. In certain countries, local wallet payment options are also available. This flexibility ensures you can fund the transfer easily. Fill in the recipient's full name, address, and mobile number. Depending on the country, you can choose between bank deposit, cash pickup at a Ria partner location, or mobile wallet credit. Review all details, confirm the transfer, and make the payment. Once processed, you receive a money transfer control number to track the transaction. Recipients can collect money. Ria often provides 24-hour delivery guarantee for certain corridors, even during weekends. Some partner banks give instant SMS alerts to recipients once funds arrive. In many regions, Ria allows fee refunds if the transfer is delayed beyond 48 hours. The app has a hidden quick repeat function, enabling one-tap resending of your last transaction. For users sending larger sums, Ria offers enhanced verification tiers, which reduce fees and increase limits after multiple successful transfers.